What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Lipscomb Lifestyle channel. If you guys have been following me, you have seen videos of me doing some organization with my pantry, and we did an empty house tour maybe 3 weeks ago. So now we've been in the house 3 weeks, so we've done a little bit of organization and decorating. So first thing I'm going to do, since some of you have asked about decor, I'm going to show you what we have done with our kitchen. So let's get into it. Oh, before we do, be sure to like and subscribe. Click that button down below or to the side, I think it is. Yeah, so let's get started. So if you guys remember the empty house tour, remember we had just a regular microwave and a wall oven, okay? So we've added some little decor here and there, some organizational things that we think will deem useful for the kitchen. This is a simple human dish rack, which is pretty cool. It holds a lot of stuff on the side and on the inside, and also has a nice wine glass holder right here, and with a little drip pan. So we actually brought this over from our previous home, and it is held up very well, so we're reusing it there. Have a little bit of sanitation station going on here with some lotion, hand sanitizer, soap. It's a view of my backyard. And this is just some counter stuff. I have my girl Joanna Gaines in the corner. She's the inspiration for our farmhouse modern style that we have going on here. Just have a little bit of decor for my wine. These are actually corks that I've been holding on to for the past like 10 years. Champagnes, wines, you'll see beer caps in there. So every time that we have beer or wine, I save the caps. So I actually found this shadow box at Target in the dollar area. I think it was $5, so I actually have a place to put all of my cork memorabilia. I got this nice little decor. I think I got this from Home Goods, and it was on clearance for $5, so I just figured it would be a nice little touch. I used to be a bartender many years ago, and I have had a bunch of literature, so I found these in storage that I've been holding on to, so now I just have a little spot for displaying on this little wine area. Salt and pepper caddies. These are from Target. These are from the Magnolia table collection. I think that's what Heart and Hearth collection from Target, from Joanna Gaines. Some mortar, I can never pronounce that. Mortar and pestle. Got that from Bed Bath & Beyond. Have a knife block, utensil holder, knife block. I believe we got that from Bed Bath & Beyond. That's also from our previous home. These nifty salt and pepper shakers. They're electronic, Crate and Barrel. Had both of these. I've had my eye on these for a long time, and I finally decided to get them, and they're very useful. So if you're a chef or if you love to cook like I do, these are very handy to use in the kitchen. Utensil holder. The utensils that are in the holder came from Bed Bath & Beyond, and utensil holder again is from the Heart and Hearth collection from Target, Joanna Gaines. You can see where my inspiration comes with her. This is a cheese board actually that was given to us by the builder when we went to the design center, and I've held onto it, and now it just holds my spoon rest and my carafes for oil and vinegar. This is a grease holder. If you're a cook, you know you can reuse grease instead of putting it in an old-fashioned coffee can or some other kind of tin can. I actually found this at Home Goods for $5. So this will hold all the grease that I want to reuse, or any other kind of liquid that I don't want to pour down the sink. This is my favorite cutting board that is well seasoned with garlic and onion, so you can see the stains, but this is one of my favorites. I have a John Booz block also, but I have not used it yet because I love this cutting board. I think my husband bought this for me as a set of 3, but this is the one I've been using for the past like 2 years, and it's well cleaned. This is just oil, or stain from the garlic, but yep, does justice. And this is our wine and beverage cooler that you guys saw on the empty house tour that we have stored. We have waters and protein shakes my husband drinks on one side, and the other side we have a lot of wine. So I have wine and cider, more wine, I have wines everywhere. These are all whites, mostly dry or sweet wines. I have some rosé down here that one of the neighbors gave us. It's too big to actually fit on the shelf, but yeah, that's the wine area. Love my stove. It is awesome. Oh, and I did not tell you guys about the subway tile in the empty house tour, but when we went there, went to the design center, excuse me, we knew we wanted white subway tile, but then I saw the one with the bezel, as you can see it, which actually gives it a little bit of definition. So I like this better than the flat, and it just works so well with this kitchen. So back to the cooktop, that's working very well. My drawers have a knife, a cleaver, and some other tools that I use. And this is the only soft close drawer that we have, so I'm not sure why they did it, but it's only one, the soft close. Everything else is regular. So I have my cast iron pans and my non-stick all-clad down here. On the bottom, have tops and colanders and mesh strainers, pans, and other cast iron. This runner came from Wayfair. It is supposed to be gray, but they sent us blue, but it's actually working very well in here, so we're keeping it. All right, I have a little organizer here for cutlery, one for chopsticks, and don't you guys laugh, but I have kids' chopsticks that I actually got when I was in South Korea because I'm still horrible at using them, so they actually work very, very well. And I'm a stickler for using reusable stainless steel straws. So you have a little section for those. All right, it's my coffee area with my Keurig. Just a little decor, milk frother that I don't use for milk because I drink black coffee, but this is very good for whipping up my wheatgrass that I drink daily. French pot. French press. I got this from IKEA. Sugar, another Joanna Gaines exclusive, and coffee container, a nice scoop. Cafe Bustelo all day. This is just a little memento that I have from food service. This is when Starbucks cold brew first came out in the glass bottles. I believe this came out 2019. So I've just held on to the bottle just for decoration, but it's one of my favorite on-the-go drinks. And I have some espresso beans, which actually is adding a little bit of decor as well as scent to the kitchen in this area. It smells just like espresso beans. And this sign, "Be as strong as your espresso," came from Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree or Family Dollar or anything else that has like dollar items. You will find some gems in there, and this is one of them. This little stand and these little cutting boards that I have as decor, both of those came from Target. I think they were $5. This might have been $3, but yeah, the little dollar section, check it out. You'll find some good stuff there. Yep, that's my coffee area. This is our Samsung Family Hub. Excuse the fingerprints on this thing because we've been tapping away because we've been listening to a lot of, oh, that's my family. Yep, that's us. Listen to a lot of Pandora. Why Are You Not Working? There we go. So it's been a joy being in here cooking, and then, you know, I can play whatever music I want. It's really cool. So it's a nice vibe in here always. I'll come back to that later. But yeah, this is a pretty good fridge. We enjoy it. There's a lot of space on the inside, a lot of freezer space. And yep, let's see, next, my pantry. I'm not gonna show you the inside of this because it's not fully organized yet, but there was a video that I did when I was reviewing and putting together my IKEA Scadus pegboard. So that's up in there, but I will do another video on my pantry. But yep, I got that sign from Hobby Lobby, I believe. I think so. It's between Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. I'm in there all the time. I was just in there yesterday buying stuff. Cabinets, and these cabinets are awesome, but we downsized so much after selling our home and then going into an apartment that we gave a lot of stuff away and threw a lot of stuff away. So we really have not filled these cabinets up at all, and if we ever will. But yep, literally. Need a little, I guess maybe filled up 2 shelves in each. This one, being that the wine is in this area, so I have all of my wine glasses, beer, Pilsner glasses, brandy sniffers, shot glasses, bartending tools, koozies, anything you can think of as far as, you know, having to entertain. Yep, here's another shelf that we use, another shelf that's unused. Yeah, keeping a lot of antique glasses that my grandmother left me when she passed, so all of those are in there that probably will never get used. But if you look closely, that's those are Irish coffee glasses, and those Christmas glasses are from Arby's 1987 Christmas collection. So my grandma held on to a lot of stuff, but now I have it, so I keep my sentimental stuff in here. Plates and bowls and plates. And I think we have not so much stuff in here. This is mostly that's my silicone baking stuff and prep bowls, meal prep containers, and all that there. But literally, like, that has nothing. That has nothing. And this has absolutely nothing. So we have so many cabinets, but just not a lot of stuff to put in here. But so, yep, this is basically the kitchen layout as of right now. It might change. I'll add some stuff. We'll take some stuff out, but this is the way it looks as of right now. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my island. Beautiful island. It's our initial L. Got some good candles. That's a Walmart candle, but it smells wonderful, and I think it's $3.99. So if you're in the market for a candle lover like I am, and you want something cheap to make your house smell good, go get you one of these. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and we caught this on sale. It might have been 50% off, but that smells good as well. But we love candles around here. And I have some sage back there as a blessing for the house that we have. Burn that often. Yep, this is basically it. All right, you guys, hope you love the video. Give me some feedback, any kind of decor ideas, organization, or any kind of ideas of what you guys would like to see on this channel. I'm trying to do a little bit of everything, but it's kind of hard to balance life and film and run a YouTube channel, Instagram and everything, but I'll try to definitely keep a schedule of doing a video once a week and editing it and have it posted by Sunday night, so you guys can stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good week. Peace.